Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dijah Alize. If you're new here, if you're not, again, welcome back. Before we get into this video, as you can see by the title, I'm doing a wig review. This wig is from UNice hair. It is 18 inches, I believe, or it might be 20. Check the description box because I'm not completely sure right now. And it's a pre-highlighted wig. I did not have to highlight this wig myself, and it basically came ready. It is a body wave wig, so it had a wave in it, which you'll see in this video. I did straighten it and hot comb it, and I'm loving it. But if you guys want to see this install and how I finesse this wig, please stay tuned, and don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe.
She was already hooked. If you always there for me, that's a really good look. I'm changing up your salary, cause I'm getting to know you. Tell me your availability, I want all of you. If it's like that, then it's like that. If you line up like lightning, I smack it up, get feisty. Can't sabotage me, I said you gon' tell the world it's us. Thankful for when you're lost. You're a good girl, but you're not. I'm never miss out on Pilates. I let the sun flake, the Bugatti. Damn God, this with a body. Me and T girls, they TV, numbers, they fly. If skin to you, then we fast forward. Yeah, staying low like a stash house. Yeah. Trap house, yeah. Made it with nothing, learned to swag out, yeah. Can't be defeated, I got mad sauce, yeah. Why would I front like it ain't my fault? Wake up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on, the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, even when I got better emotions. She caught me a god, the way I floated in her ocean. She caught me Messiah, the way I floated in her ocean. Yeah, Jesus Christ, but I wasn't causing commotion. It is so right, now I'm soaking in the ocean. Hit it all night, we was drinking and smoking. Drinking and smoking.
I done went from GG to BB to LB. I done flow with GG and Lily and Nene. I text her so proud of you and got my beats on CC. Yeah, there's no way that you can know or see the things we see. She said she can tell every time that I like through my teeth. Plus I know you had somebody else right here in mind. Oh, you think you know my body? My pull up in that movement when I'm shy. I put Uzi's on my rollie, now their eyes leave. I don't own no ice cream truck, just know my eyes freeze. Man, I read a text, she said, girl, I crack. Man, I know she ducking off with her side me. Who you know gon' hit it raw, baby, besides me?
We drank up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on, the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, even when I got better emotions. She caught me a god, the way I floated in her ocean. She caught me Messiah, the way I floated in her ocean. Yeah, Jesus Christ, but I wasn't causing commotion. It is so right, now I'm soaking in the ocean. She was already hooked. If you always there for me, that's a really good look. I'm changing up your salary, cause I'm getting to know you. Tell me your availability, I want all of you. If it's like that, then it's like that. If you line up like lightning, I smack it up, get feisty. Can't sabotage me, I said you gon' tell the world it's us. Thankful for when you're lost. You're a good girl, but you're not. I'm never miss out on Pilates. I let the sun flake, the Bugatti. Damn God, this with a body. Me and T girls, they TV, numbers, they fly. If skin to you, then we fast forward. Yeah, staying low like a stash house. Yeah. Trap house, yeah. Made it with nothing, learned to swag. I got mad sauce. Yeah, why would I front like it ain't my fault? Drink up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, the man got better emotions. She caught me a god the way I floated in her ocean. She caught me Messiah the way I floated in her ocean. Yeah, Jesus Christ, but I wasn't causing commotion. Hit it so right, got her soaking in the ocean. Hit it all night, we was drinking and smoking. Drinking and smoking.
I done went from GG to BB to LB. I done fuck with Gigi and Lily and Nene. I text her so proud of you and got my beef on TC. It is no way that you can know or see the things we see. She said she can tell every time that I like through my keys. Plus I know you had somebody else right here in my. Oh, you think you know my body? My good looking at me when I'm shy. I put rubies on my rollie, now her eyes. I don't want no ice cream cup, just know my eyes freeze. Man, I read her text, she said, girl, I crack. Man, I know she ducking off with her side me. Who you know gon' hit it raw, baby, besides me?
We drank up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, the man got better emotions. She caught me a god the way I floated in her ocean. She caught me Messiah the way I floated in her ocean. Yeah, Jesus Christ, but I wasn't causing commotion. Hit it so right, got her soaking in the ocean.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I did straighten this wig even though it's body wave, because I just really wanted to see how the highlights would look straight, and I'm feeling it. Okay, so this wig, I will say I might like this better than the last highlight wig that I got from UNice. Even though it's a T-part wig, which is like, it's just a middle part right here, you can't do sides or anything like that. The highlights in this wig, I feel like go so well with my skin tone. And the other wig is more like a reddish brown, which I feel like you have to wear makeup with. This, I feel like you really don't. Like, it's giving. It's giving. And then it straightens so well, so easy. It took me about 20 minutes. As you can see, I had to finesse the lace a little bit, but now it's giving. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and you like this wig, don't forget to please check my description box for all the information on it and where to get it. This wig is from Amazon, like I said before, so you can get your wig in 2 days, period. But if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.